Good morning, all of you. In last lecture, we studied vector. Now, in vector, in this lecture, we study about direction of vector. એટલે કે વેક્ટરની દિશા કેવી રીતે શોધી શકાય. લાસ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે મોડ્યુલસ ફાઇન્ડ કરતા શીખ્યા હતા અને એને પ્રેક્ટિસ માટેના સમ પણ મેં આપ્યા હતા. પ્રેક્ટિસ થઈ ગઈ હશે. મોડ્યુલસ ફાઇન્ડ કરતા આવડી ગયું. ઓકે. નાઉ ડિરેક્શન ઓફ અ વેક્ટર. એટલે કે વેક્ટરની ડિરેક્શન. બે વેક્ટર છે, આ વન વેક્ટર, આ બીજો વેક્ટર, આ a, આ b. both vector has same direction, a, b, or here b. The direction of a and b is opposite direction, a, b. This is not same, not opposite, it is different. So today we study about the direction of vector, either same, opposite or different. Okay, there are three types of direction: same, opposite direction, and different direction, not same nor opposite. So first of all, for calculation purpose, we need some calculation. Here, the direction of vector definition: if a and b are two non-null vectors, null એટલે કે zero, એટલે કે zero non-null એટલે no zero નથી. Okay, a and b are some vectors, non-null vectors, એટલે કે zero ના હોય એવા. If there exists a k greater than 0 such that a equals to b, એટલે કે a equals to b થાય, a equals to kb થાય, a equals to kb એવું k આપણને મળે કે જેની value, the value of k is greater than 0, then a and b are of the same direction. Okay, I repeat, if k is there, so k is exists, a equals to kb, like a equals to kb થાય એવો આપણને k મળે, the value of k is greater than 0, it means positive, then a and b are of the same direction. Similarly, if there is a k, there exists k less than 0 such that a equals to kb, then a and b are opposite direction. એટલે કે k ની વેલ્યુ 0 થી ઓછી હોય, less than 0, right? It means negative. For a equals to kb, then a and b are opposite direction. Okay, and third one is, first one is same direction, second one is opposite direction. Here k is greater than 0, k is less than 0. If there is does not exist, k belongs to r minus 0, એટલે કે k જે 0 નથી એવો આપણને ન મળે, does not exist, such that a equals to kb, a equals to kb થાય એવો k છે જ નહીં. There is no relation between a and b. Here the a and b is some relation. Okay, then the direction of a and b are different. Okay, understand? It is called k does not exist. Okay, the direction same direction, opposite direction and different direction. Okay, write down this thing. Okay, now example of this topic. Compare the directions of the vectors A equals to 2 minus 5 3 and B equals to 4 minus 10 6. Okay, here compare the directions of the vectors A equal to 2 minus 5 and 3, B equals to 4 minus 10 and 6. A and B two vectors are given. 2 minus 5 3, B equals to 4 minus 10 and 6. Okay, now we find the relation between this A and B, either multiplication or division. We check it. 2 divided by 4. 2 divided by 4 equals to 2. Minus 5 divided by minus 10 equals to also 2. And 3 divided by 6. Coordinate are same. Okay, sorry. 2 divided by 4, therefore 1 by 2, minus 5 by 10, 1 by 2, and 3 by 6 is also 1 by 2. These three are same. So we can write A equals to 1 by 2 of 4 minus 10, 6. A equals to 1 by 2, 4 minus 10, 6 into B. A equals to KB, where K equals to 1 by 2. It is positive, greater than 0. Greater than 0. A greater than 0, 1 by 2 is the value. So the direction of A and B are same direction. Okay, this type of example asked in only 1 marks. Okay, write down. Second example. Compare the direction of vectors p equals to 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1 and q equals to minus 9, 6, 3 minus 3. Okay, here P and Q are given. P equals to 3 minus 2, 1. Q equals to minus 9, 6 minus 3. Okay, now find the relation between P and Q. Ordinates x, y, z, x to x. 3, 2 minus 9. Minus 2 by 6 and 1 by minus 3. Okay, 3 by 9 it means minus 1 by 3. Minus 2 by 6 is also minus 1 by 3, and here minus 1 by 3 already given. So the relation is ready. P equals to minus 1 by 3 of 9, 6, 9, 6 minus 3 minus 1 by 3. 9, 6 minus 3 equals to Q. Therefore, P equals to KQ. Similarly, A equals to KB. P equals to KQ. Here the value of K equals to minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 is less than 0. K less than 0. Minus 1 by 3. हमें એટલે જ રાખ્યું છે k less than 0 તો so p and q a and b ની લખવાનું પછી જે વેક્ટર્સ આપણને આપેલું હોય એ લખવાનું વેક્ટર્સ p and q given so p and q are so હશે opposite k less than 0 છે opposite direction. Okay, write down. Now, third one. Compare the direction of the vectors g equals to 2, 5, 7 and h equals to 3, 1, 6. Okay, now solution g 2, 5, 7 given, h 3, 1, 6. Okay, now we find the relation between these two g and h. X coordinate y coordinate and z coordinate. Take the ratio 2/3. એનો કોઈ આન્સર આવશે નહીં. 5/1 એનો પણ કોઈ આન્સર નહીં આવે. 7/6. These three are not same. Okay, same નથી. So k આપણને મળશે તો there is no relation. If k is equal to kb, that does not exist. k મળતો જ નથી, સેમ નથી. ઓકે, આ રેશિયો સેમ આવતો નથી તો k વેલ્યુ મળે નહીં. ઓકે, g is not equal to kh. એટલે k આપણને મળશે જ નહીં. તો શું લખીશું? So g and h, સોરી, આપણે શું લખવાનું છે કે k મળતો જ નથી એટલે ડિરેક્શન કેવી આવશે? ડિફરન્ટ. So the direction of g and h are different. એટલે કે g અને h ની ડિરેક્શન કેવી છે? જુદી જુદી, ડિફરન્ટ છે. લાસ્ટ વર્ડ. ઓકે, રાઇટ ડાઉન. Okay. Next is representation of vector in terms of unit vector. Okay, representation of vector in terms of unit vector. Here P, suppose P equals to x, y, z. Unit vector already studied in last lecture. I, j and k are in the direction of x-axis, it means OX, y-axis and z-axis respectively. એટલે કે અનુક્રમે I જે છે x અક્ષ માટે, j છે y અક્ષ માટે અને k છે z અક્ષ માટે. I j k x axis, y axis and z axis. We write OP equals to our vector OP equals to xi plus yj plus zk is the representation of vector in terms of unit vector. we find the magnitude is called OP, or OP equals to under root x square y square z square. Not write ijk. ijk લખવાનું નથી. બે રીતના આવે. ફર્સ્ટ this okay point method, position vector, same as a unit vector representation. Okay, in next lecture we study about collinear addition of vector and a sum of. Okay, thank you very much.